Hey everyone, welcome back to Harka. Today, we're going to talk about something super important, gym safety. Whether you're a gym newbie or a seasoned fitness enthusiast, it's crucial to prioritize safety to avoid injuries and make the most of your workouts. Let's dive into some essential safety tips and instructions to keep you safe while working out. First up, let's talk about warm-up. Before you start any workout, it's vital to warm up your muscles. This can be as simple as 5 to 10 minutes of light cardio, like jogging or using the elliptical. Warming up increases blood flow to your muscles, reducing the risk of injury. Next, proper form is key. Always ensure you're using the correct form when lifting weights or performing any exercise. Poor form can lead to strains, sprains, and other injuries. If you're unsure about the correct form, don't hesitate to ask a trainer or watch instructional videos. When it comes to lifting weights, start with a manageable weight. It's tempting to go heavy, but starting with a weight that's too heavy can cause serious injuries. Gradually increase the weight as you get stronger and more confident in your form. Another important aspect is using a spotter. When you're lifting heavy weights, especially with exercises like bench presses or squats, always have a spotter. A spotter can help you lift safely and provide assistance if you struggle with the weight. Stay hydrated is a simple yet often overlooked tip. Dehydration can lead to dizziness, cramps, and fatigue. Make sure to drink water before, during, and after your workout to stay properly hydrated. Don't forget to cool down after your workout. Spend 5 to 10 minutes doing light cardio and stretching to help your muscles recover and prevent stiffness. Cooling down helps to gradually bring your heart rate back to normal. Finally, always listen to your body. If something doesn't feel right, stop immediately. Pain is a signal that something might be wrong. Rest if you need to, and don't push through pain. It's better to take a break than to risk a serious injury. Thanks for joining me today. I hope these tips help you stay safe and make the most out of your gym sessions. Remember, safety first, always. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your gym buddies, and subscribe to Harka for more fitness tips and advice. Stay safe, stay strong, and see you next time.